Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I really appreciate it. So today I just worked on finishing the kitchen and the room that we were in yesterday. And then also jumped over to the other kitchens, back in the other hallway, or hopped back over in the north and south hallway, as we just turned the corner to start on the east and west hallway units. So we're headed back to the north and south to go complete those kitchens as well, because we were skipping them because there were some discrepancies or whatever you want to call it. We weren't sure if they were changing all of our numbers once we got all the boxes and wire already there. Had to check with the superintendents and stuff like that to make sure all our numbers were good, which they were. So now we're going ahead and going back and landing the wires in the kitchen and finishing the kitchens so the rooms are complete. Also added this wire here that we needed to do yesterday. Still needs to get strapped and stuff like that, and mount the box for the plug and stuff like that, but got the wire ran. Just needs to be strapped like I said, and mount the box. And then here are the kitchens that we went back and to make up, which are pretty much the same exact units, actually slightly different, but pretty much the same. You got your standard microwave range, dishwasher, disposal switch, and then your two kitchen home run circuits, and then your dining room plug off of the kitchen circuit as well. So this unit that I'm showing you right now also has an island, so that has to get piped out of a few boxes. So one of the plugs is going to get piped over to the island, and then also the dishwasher and disposal we'll have a junction box that will get piped over to the location on the island for the dishwasher and disposal. But anyways, that's pretty much what we got going. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty short day. I only worked like 5 hours, so pretty short stuff. Got my 40 hours for the week, so I just called it good. Like I said, I was super tired, and that about wraps it up. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Help out the channel a lot, and I love to see you guys back here in the next video. Don't forget to check out the description for anything else like social medias if that's something you're interested in. Also another easy way to contact me through social media. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. That's going to do it for today's video. Thanks guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And remember, snugs, not drugs.